Yeah, this is it. Okay, so let's talk about false statements, right? Specifically as it relates to the statute that I was just talking about. We'll come back to this about the other statute. Where was it? Here we go. So I don't know if y'all can see this line right here, but it says, I declare or certify, verify, or state under penalty of perjury that the foregoing is true and correct, right?
Ooh.
Now, this is the Service Members Civil Relief Act declaration. And everything that you put on here, you're declaring that is true under penalty of perjury, right? Well, the one that's always struck me as really, really fucking funny is number 4. I know him personally. Now, mind you, she did the exact same thing for clues. So right now we're at 2 instances of lying under oath, right? Okay, so let me go back to what we were reading. Let's see. So this is all in relation to North Carolina General Statute 14-209, right? Proof requirements. To convict under 14-209, the state must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the accused knowingly made a false material statement while under oath or in a declaration under penalty of perjury. The key element is proving intent, that the declarant knew the statement was false at the time it was made. Well, it's convenient that I have a clip of her, 2 clips of her saying 2 things recently, right before this happened and during the time that this happened, right? So she said, they don't know me. We don't, basically admitting she doesn't know us. And mind you, that was said after she fucking signed this, after she filed this. The other thing that's interesting about this is the intent. She stated that the reason she went and filed the ROs was because Clue talked about her mama. She said that on October 5th in her live stream, the night before I got my RO paperwork. Now, nowhere in either of the ROs does she say that she filed the ROs because Clue said something about her mama. No, it doesn't say that at all. So when you combine the 2, I think you can see the intent, and you can definitely see that she knew she was lying. The next statute that we're going to go over is North Carolina General Statute 7A-98, Unsworn Declarations under Penalty of Perjury. So this pretty well reads the exact same, but the reason that this statute is important is because there are forms where you don't swear and affirm, but it's basically just that they don't put it on the form. But when you go into a legal proceeding and you fill out a form to get into that legal proceeding, this general statute covers it. So let's go back and look at the beginning of the filings, right? So this is the original, the actual complaint, right? So I was looking at this complaint, I've been looking at this complaint, and I have noticed that in this one, that statement of I declare under penalty of perjury, blah, 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 that, this is true. However, it is still sworn and affirmed, right? So that's where this North Carolina General Statute 7A-98 comes into play. It's designed to cover lying fucks when they fill out paperwork like this and submit it to the court. So let's go right here and let's evaluate the lies. Her claims were that on 9/2025, he posted a video threatening me because he was upset with me, saying he would give me what I asked for. Now, I have searched and scoured. Doesn't fucking exist. It damn sure doesn't exist on anything I fucking did. So, yeah, that is a lie. He went live and called me a fat cunt. I did. You are a fat cunt. The third statement she made about me was he makes videos constantly talking about me and threatening me and posts them to YouTube. Now, at this time, I think I had a handful of songs, none of them directed at her, nothing labeled her, anything like that. And I had maybe 2 lives or something like that. Not a whole bunch of shit, but in none of the things that I had posted was there any threat. Right? So there's 2 lies. So in this one set of documentation, plus the service members paperwork that she filed for Clue, we're at 4 counts of perjury, right? Now, let's go, while we're here, let's just go into Clues for a second and see how many times she lied in the claims she made about Clue. Because I didn't add that up. Okay, 9/2025, she has made comments saying she was coming to NC to find me. So that is a lie. So now we're at 5 counts. She said that if I didn't watch my word, she would send her friends to my house. There's 6 counts. So we're at 6 instances of lying, essentially under oath, for lack of a better way of putting it, right?
Ooh, girl, ooh. roles can be take legal action, and I can take legal action too. And I promise you, there have been plenty of laws that have been broken on y'all's end. He said you have on the document. What? He said you have on the document that you knew them personally. I never said I knew them personally. I told that lady clearly I've never met them, that I didn't know them. They were from out of state. Now he's lying. That is not on the document that I knew them personally. I got the document. I got the document myself. Wait a minute, I'm looking. I ain't never say no shit like that I knew them personally. That is not true. Hold on. Show where I said that, Cletus. Hold on, y'all. Hang on 1 minute. Fucking said I know them personally. That lady asked me multiple times. I told her it's online. I've never met these people. Try again, Cletus. Try again. Y'all, these people are trying to dredge up more drama. They're accusing me of going after her kid. They're accusing me of lying on documents. Anything to keep it going. The shit with Jay's dying down. They want more drama to come at me about. Give me a second. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. This is what I'll say to that, because I'm not going to sit here and fight. This is stupid. These people want to fight. That's what they want to do. I'm not wasting my time. I did nothing wrong on those documents. Everything I posted and everything I put on those documents are as they. It's what I was supposed to do. It's within the law. Well, let me tell you something. Because I've had multiple people reach out to me, and I'm going to say this right now, whether they're saying that I am or I'm not. I've already had multiple people reach out to me and tell me that they're saying that I've sent somebody to bother her kid or troll her kid, bother her kid. Let me tell you something. That shit don't go on me. I don't fuck with kids. Y'all fuck with kids, but I don't. We're not the same. We are not the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and say it right now. I'm not going to be accused of every damn troll or somebody leaving comments and bothering that little girl. I don't have shit to do with that. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. It makes me feel like y'all want somebody to. It's almost like y'all want it to happen, just so you can be a victim. It's weird as fuck, man. It is weird as fuck. Clue and Buzzy do this shit a lot. They do it all the time. It's like y'all really itch. You're itching for somebody to say something about your kid or go after your kid. The only people that talks about your kids are you. Nobody else.
Checkmate, bitch.